Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the display auto lock time during a guided access session on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on settings, and from the settings page scroll down, then tap on accessibility. Next, scroll down to the general section and then tap on guided access. In here, go down to the bottom and tap on display auto lock. In here, select a time, so you can choose between 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, all the way up to 50 minutes or never. Otherwise, if you select default, then it will use the default settings from the auto lock in display and brightness. And that's it. So select a time in here. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.